मैंने बहुत सारे चैप्टर स्किप कर दिए मैथ्स में एंड स्टैट्स में. सो ऑल लाइट वेटेड चैप्टर हैव स्किप्ड एंड हेवी वेटेड चैप्टर इवन इफ यू डोंट लाइक वी हैव टू डू दैट. सो या अकाउंट्स आई यूज्ड टू लाइक, तो उसके वीडियोस एंड वी नीड प्रैक्टिस इन अकाउंट्स. हमको बहुत प्रैक्टिस चाहिए बिकॉज इन एग्जाम व्हाट हैपेंस if we are directly going and sitting in the exam hall, there is less time, just 3 hours, and we need to write so much and think so much. So in thinking time goes and then we see कि बहुत ज़्यादा बचा है अभी, 5 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस हैं and टाइम बहुत कम है. So that happens. So to avoid that, हमें मॉक एग्जाम्स लिखना चाहिए, राइट? बिकॉज इन मॉक एग्जाम्स वी गेट अ प्रैक्टिस कि ऐसा क्वेश्चन होगा, इसी टाइप का होगा एंड उसके लिए कितनी स्पीड चाहिए, राइट? एंड ऐसा भी होता है कि 2 मार्क्स के लिए कहानी लिख के आते हैं, वो हम यूज्ड टू डू इन स्कूल्स. एंड दैट टाइम टीचर यूज्ड टू गिव मार्क्स आल्सो. दे डिडंट यूज्ड टू करेक्ट अस कि इतना मत लिखो इस इतने मार्क्स के लिए, बिकॉज उसमें क्लियर नहीं करना होता था कोई एग्जाम. टिल स्कूल वी यूज्ड टू राइट इन ऑर्डर, यूज्ड टू गो विद क्वेश्चन वाइज वन टू द लास्ट. बट हियर इट इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. वही लिखो जो तुमको आता है पहले. That boosts your confidence that you're done with what you know. So मैंने बड़े-बड़े questions पहले start किए, like 5 marks, 10 marks from the last that I knew from few chapters that were my favorite. So I started with that. I completed those, but because of that fear and anxiety till that moment I had, because of that hurry-burry, my brain wasn't that calm to write the answers and think properly. So whatever came to my mind, I wrote. The amounts that I couldn't calculate, that I didn't get the answer, I left it and I then just did the full paper like that. And then I saw revalued. There were a lot of answers that I had to write 3 to 4 in the last remaining time. Believe me, the paper was not that bad, but because of that situation, I messed up the paper. और कुछ नहीं सोचा, मैंने 2-3 मिनट के लिए बस होम टूर किया. I was running the whole home, whole house from kitchen to hall to room, and ऐसी feeling है जैसे I just cleared my CA finals. मुझे ऐसी दिखा वो joy of clearing the exam, मुझे तब पता चला कि क्या होता है. And I was because ऐसी tension में थी तब तक मैं clear दूंगी या नहीं. तो I was like that is the best day. Still that is the best day of my life. Even though I get so many memorable days and happy days in my life, that was a memorable and that hard work and smart work paid off that day. तो अगर if we focus and do, everything will pay off. Everything comes to us. जैसा करोगे वैसा ही भरोगे.
सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द रैट शो. एंड आज के हमारे इस एपिसोड में हमारे साथ हैं एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग गेस्ट, सदफ नाज. सदफ अभी अपनी सीए की जर्नी में हैं और वो उसमें उन्होंने अभी रिसेंटली सीए फाउंडेशन को भी क्लियर किया है. एंड सदफ को सिर्फ अकाउंटेंसी ही नहीं, मतलब उनके और भी बहुत सारे मुख्तलिफ इंटरेस्ट हैं. एंड उनको पॉलिटिक्स, करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ना पसंद है. और व्हेन इट कम्स टू ट्रैवल, उन्हें माउंटेन्स जाना, बीचेस घूमना भी बहुत पसंद है. एंड उनके लाइफ में एक स्टडी और एक वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस को बहुत अच्छे से वो मेंटेन करते हैं. एंड आज हम उनसे बात करेंगे कि उनके सीए फाउंडेशन का जो अब तक का सफ़र रहा, उसका जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा, उसके बारे में वो एस्पिरेंट्स है, जो सीए एस्पिरेंट्स हैं हमारे, उनके साथ वो क्या शेयर करना चाहते हैं. एंड उनके साथ में शेयर करने के लिए शी हैज़ सम गुड थॉट्स एंड गुड टिप्स एज वेल. एंड इसी के साथ में हम लोग आज का एपिसोड शुरू करते हैं. सो लेट्स डाइव इन एंड गेट सम अमेजिंग इनसाइट्स फ्रॉम सदफ herself. Welcome, Sadav.
Thank you so much for this amazing introduction, sir. I'm very honored and grateful to be a part of your amazing show. So, G, I'll start, sir. So, मेरी CA Foundation की classes. So, it is a 9-month course. Classes मेरी start हुई मार्च में, March 2nd. And, हम सारे students का एक common habit है that is starting at the last. We all don't start before the exams and then we get exam fear और हम लोग late start करते हैं. तो ऐसा ही हुआ हमारे साथ भी. We were a gang. हम लोग कुछ friends थे 4-5 और हमारी classes start हो गई. And CA में ऐसा है कि कोई आपको नहीं पूछता कि आपको कितने मार्क्स आए. सब लोग यही पूछते हैं पास और फेल. एंड इट इज अबाउट आवर रेस्पेक्ट, राइट? सो ऐसा है कि 2-3 months went and we started liking the subjects. हमको बहुत पसंद आए law. There were different subjects and there were 2 common subjects, accounts and maths.
हम्म,
सो ऐसा था कि मुझे मैथ्स बहुत पसंद था, बट पीयूसी में मैंने मैथ्स नहीं लिया था। तो वो स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने पीयूसी में मैथ्स नहीं लिया है, उनको सीए फाउंडेशन में आके थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होगी, और दे नीड टू कोप अप विद इट। सो
हम्म,
कुछ ऐसा ही था मेरे साथ। अकाउंट्स मुझे बहुत पसंद था, एंड लॉ एक न्यू सब्जेक्ट विद फुल ऑफ सेक्शंस टू रिमेम्बर। तो हमें हमारी एकेडमी में, और एक्चुअली एवरी सीए फाउंडेशन एकेडमी में वीकली टेस्ट होते हैं, तो उस वीकली टेस्ट से हमको वी गेट टू लर्न लॉट। तो ऐसा था कि सारे टिल द 9 month we used to have weekly test, so that gives a lot of preparation to us. तो मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई विदाउट स्टडीज हमने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा, ओनली वीकली टेस्ट के सहारे वी यूज टू गेट सम कॉन्फिडेंस। देन हमको एक रियलिटी शॉक आया कि हमने अब तक पढ़ाई स्टार्ट नहीं की है, सो दैट एवरी स्टूडेंट हैज दैट फियर। फिर the main technique and the main self confidence tool that every student can use is to calm down first। जब हमारे सामने इतना सारा सिलेबस है करने को, and that to law, that is very vast।
right,
So first calm down first and think what we can do and what sources, कौन से sources हम use कर सकते हैं एग्जाम्स को क्लियर करने के लिए। So main benefit जो सब स्टूडेंट को है is YouTube। There are a lot of good teachers, good CAs who have cleared AIRs. So one academy that I can recommend that will suit every student is Grooming Education Academy. So I was ऐसा situation भी थी कि maths, stats and LR, that is 3 different subjects combined into one paper, and that is a trouble for everyone। That is a point कि लगता है कि बहुत मुश्किल पेपर है, because one more point here is MCQ paper। मैथ एंड ओनली मैथ एंड इकोनॉमिक्स पेपर पूरा एमसीक्यू है, तो उसमें नेगेटिव मार्किंग आ जाती है। एंड जो हमारी हैबिट है हर स्टूडेंट की अब तक इज गेसिंग। इन
right,
एमसीक्यूज पीपल गेस, एंड दैट इज अ कॉमन हैबिट, हम उसे अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते, बट विथ प्रैक्टिस वी कैन स्टॉप गेसिंग। इन सीए गेसेस डोंट वर्क। सो ऑल द वीकली टेस्ट दैट वी यूज टू हैव, मैं बहुत सारी जगह पे गेस करती थी, बिकॉज वो एक हैबिट है दैट कैन नॉट गो इमीडिएटली। बट लेटर ऑन व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू गेट द मार्क्स देख के आई यूज्ड टू बी शॉक्ड कि इतने कम कैसे हुए। दैट वाज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ नेगेटिव मार्किंग।
right,
So one mistake to avoid is don't do negative marking. It is something that can make a passing student fail. So don't guess, because it will lead you to less marks, and every paper is each 40 marks.
mm-hmm,
Every paper is 100 marks, but you need to get 40 to clear that.
mm-hmm,
So there are 4 papers. First is accountancy, then law, and these 3 subjects, math, stats and LR, combined into one paper. And last paper hai economics. So there are 4 papers basically. Actually there are 7 subjects, but combined into 4. So total
okay,
marks is 400, and to clear we need to get 200. So if you see, in every subject we need to get 40 to pass, right? So 40 into
right,
4, if we are getting 160, not 200,
mm-hmm,
है ना? तो दैट वाज समथिंग दैट सरप्राइज्ड मी कि 160 से हम क्लियर नहीं हो सकते, हमको 200 लाना है। तो दैट मीन्स हमको 40 से ऊपर लाना है हर सब्जेक्ट में, एटलीस्ट 50-50 और
mm-hmm,
45 समवेयर लाइक दैट। तो we started studying, and till September we were not that prepared, we all friends, actually no one was that prepared। So in October beginning I got a reality shock। जब ऐसा लगा कि अभी बस 3 months there for the exam and we cannot be laid back right now, we need to start। I thought, because it's human mind, if we think, हमको ऐसा लगता है कि अभी बहुत कुछ है and time भी कम है, तो ऐसा
mm-hmm,
हम we will not start and we will just panic in that situation। So मुझे लगा कि I'll just study for these 5 days to begin studying, just for 5 days, and that to complete dedication, not doing anything else, बस पढ़ाई। So just these 5 days, and when the mind knows that you just need to study for small time, just 5 days, so it will completely dedicate itself। So I sat to study, मैं बैठ गई। I completely decided that I'm not going to waste more time and just start। So I began with little easy subjects and with the tough ones, because math, I liked math, but it was a problem because PUC में मैंने math नहीं लिया because of the teacher The teacher in our school wasn't that good, so I didn't want to lower my percentage of PUC because of maths teacher, so I didn't take. But now math again came. It never leaves any student. हमें पता है किसी का पीछा नहीं छोड़ता maths, तो वो आ गया. And the good point in maths paper is LR, logical reasoning. That is complete general knowledge paper, blood relations and different interesting topics we have in that. So we can score in maths paper because of LR and stats. Stats, if we watch YouTube, see the marathon of that complete marathon, important topics, that's enough for stats. And maths, grooming education ka marathon and their important questions, 100 MCQs. So I used to watch live videos for that. Maths paper completely I've just seen important topics and the chapters that I like. मैंने बहुत सारे chapters skip कर दिए maths में and stats में. So all light weighted chapter I have skipped and heavy weighted chapter even if we don't like we have to do that. So yeah, accounts I used to like, तो उसके videos and we need practice in accounts. हमको बहुत practice चाहिए because in exam what happens if we are directly going and sitting in the exam hall there is less time, just 3 hours, and we need to write so much and think so much. So in thinking time goes and then we see कि बहुत ज़्यादा बचा है अभी 5 marks के questions हैं and time बहुत कम है, so that happens.
Mhm.
So to avoid that हमें मॉक एग्जाम्स लिखना चाहिए, राइट? बिकॉज इन मॉक एग्जाम्स वी गेट अ प्रैक्टिस कि ऐसा क्वेश्चन होगा, इसी टाइप का होगा एंड उसके लिए कितनी स्पीड चाहिए, राइट? एंड ऐसा भी होता है कि 2 marks के लिए कहानी लिख के आते हैं, वो हम यूज्ड टू डू इन स्कूल्स. एंड दैट टाइम टीचर यूज्ड टू गिव मार्क्स आल्सो, दे डिडंट यूज्ड टू करेक्ट अस कि इतना मत लिखो इस इतने मार्क्स के लिए, बिकॉज उसमें क्लियर नहीं करना होता था कोई एग्जाम. तो in this mock exams we get to know to correct those mistakes that we have made. हमें पता चलता है कि कितने टाइम में कितना लिखना चाहिए and quality matters. CA में quantity doesn't matter. Even if it is a 10 mark question, you write 1 page for it. अगर आंसर करेक्ट है तो full marks will get, right? Teacher won't see कि कितने पेज लिखा है. They will only see if the answer is correct and the format is correct. And so accounts we need a lot of practice and concept clearing. We used to rattafy, we used to by heart sums, maths in school, but that won't work here. Even if you by heart, ICI is such a game player. ICI Institute plays with students' minds. So it just puts a new question. Same concept we have learned, but when we see that question, we get a shock that, oh, we have never done this. So that lowers our confidence in exam. वो confidence को ही मार देता है exam. So वो नहीं होना है because whatever we have learned and mainly ICI books, we shouldn't learn anywhere except that books. सब कुछ वही book से आएगा. No external question, no question like NEET. It's completely different from the syllabus. कुछ आ गया and फिर students all went mad. So that is वो नहीं होने वाला CA में. जो भी पढ़ा है वही आएगा. But they will test us by using different terms, by making a long question with a small answer. So that happens here. So that was about accounts. Next, about law, we need a lot of practice again here with some section numbers. But in CA Foundation, remembering section is not important. Remembering the way of writing in law, like we write under this section or under this act. So we start like that. We directly don't start with the answer here. We give some introduction of the question, case law being presented, and we start writing. So more than me, YouTube can help the students to know the way of writing the law paper. But main importantly, we should what do you say? The notes given in the class, the teachers, the students should go with their guidance, follow what they have told. And the class test बहुत important है. जो भी class test किया है उसमें जो भी mistakes किया है law में, that they should rectify first. Because ऐसा foundation should be strong first, right? Before building a long building, we need to be clear with the basics of law, of the way of writing, concepts, because it is completely new chapter, है ना? तो law में I used to get good marks at the beginning because I like to write. I like to write long answers. But the main mistake that I found out is I'm just I didn't know the format of the first of writing. Then I got to know about it, so I used to write in that format. But somewhere answers would go wrong because of some mistakes. So law में I became perfect till I wrote the mock test in the final exam. It was a good subject of mine, a strong one. So law में mainly writing and remembering concepts, सेक्शन नंबर्स इफ पॉसिबल ओनली important ones, और इन सेक्शन से मार्क्स ज़्यादा नहीं कटते because there are so many sections. Student can't sit and remember at the last moment or in those months. Instead, they can pay attention to different subjects that they are weak in, like maths, stats. These two subjects
Mm.
are main problematic for students. Then coming to the third paper, main negative marking paper, that is math, stats, LR, one paper. So math, stats, it is for 40 marks and LR is for 20 marks. LR easily students can score 18, and I'm sure 15 to 18 they can score if they are because that is an easy paper. So if we get at least 15 there, we just need to score some more 30 marks in maths and stats to clear. We get 45. And maths, if you get to know some high weighted chapter, just say time value of money, that is a main chapter in maths. If you do that, just 2 3 more chapters you add, 3 to 4 chapters you can clear the exam. So time value of money 20 marks का है, और 2 3 other chapters like sequence and series, and the first chapter is easy. If you do that, and don't go with integration. Integration is a time waster. It will just come for 3 to 4 marks in exam, and it is a lot. इंटीग्रेशन इज हम कोई स्टूडेंट इसको नहीं पसंद करता एक्सेप्ट मैथ सो मच, मैथ लवर्स who love integration, who have learned it in PUC. It was a complete new chapter for me, so I didn't do that. I completely skipped that, and many chapters in maths I've skipped. Only the important question of each chapter in marathons and in live videos I've watched, and that too only one channel, that was Grooming Education. That is amazing. That's in Delhi, situated in Delhi, and they have amazing teachers. So बहुत अच्छा था वो. उसके बाद stats अगेन बहुत ही न्यू था मेरे लिए. सो मैंने कॉन्सेप्ट्स जो क्लास में कराए वहां से सीखा, वो रिवाइज किया पहले नोट्स को, उसके बाद वीडियोस देखे टू गेट अ मोर क्लैरिटी अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट, एंड देन when to practice myself, because practice is very important. ऐसा मत सोचना कि बस वीडियोस देख लिया और थोड़ा सा नोट्स देख लिया तो सब कुछ हो गया, नहीं. That is not at all. That is just 20%. More 80% is practice. We need to solve. Then only we can remember things. And mainly in math stats, there are so many formulas to remember. इसलिए stats में मैंने बहुत important chapters, like not that important, but that was lot full of formulas. That was theoretical distribution. So उसको start करते ही मेरा दिमाग घूमने लगता था. It was just too much to remember. तो मैंने उसको skip कर दिया. I was like इतने टाइम में इसको करने के लिए टाइम चाहिए और वो मेरे पास नहीं है. So I'm going to skip this. So I skipped that chapter, and other 2 3 more chapters that I just couldn't manage, I skipped it. Just some important questions of it that was in the YouTube videos. I learned that formulas रटा करके गई थी मैं बस, है ना. और ज़्यादा questions नहीं solve किए उसके. और I just wanted 50 marks total in the paper. मुझे 50 because 40 42 mock exams में आए थे मेरे, just clear 42 47. 2 mock थे, एक institute का, मेरी academy का, और एक ICI mock. So there I got to know that I'm just clearing the exam. I didn't fail there. Total I had got 207 in the ICI mock, and I was happy when dad came in and उन्होंने बोला you cleared. Then I felt कि okay fine I cleared, but what are the mistakes? How much have I got? तो मैंने देखा just 207. Then I was like, oh, if I'm getting 207 in this mock, then finals I don't know where I'm going to land. So I was tensed. Then I saw my mistakes. मैंने देखा कि oh इस जगह पे काटा है marks. And the papers, that is very important to give the mock. So I rectified those mistakes. मैंने कुछ नया नहीं सीखा उस टाइम पे, कुछ नया नहीं किया. And at that point, where only 2 or 3 months are left, you just need to revise what you have done. Don't do anything new that you have skipped, that you don't like. Strong point पे more focus करने से marks can increase, and marks will increase. So I just rectified those mistakes so that same question, same type question अगर final में आएगा तो I can do it properly. I didn't go and learn anything new, and that is the main benefit of giving mock. You can rectify your mistakes. Then so in October, that 5 days, sorry I didn't complete that 5 days wala thing. So I had decided that these 4 subjects I'm at least going to do more 50%, at least 40 to 50% where I am strong. So मैंने वो किया, and almost believe me 5 days के अंदर it got completed almost. 2 3 chapters of LR were remaining, and little portion was remaining, but almost I had completed. Then I gave a long break. I was like, I have done this almost. So 5 to 6 days I didn't study that much, only revisions. Then I thought I have to again start. So I used to revise. I used to give mock exam sitting at home. So mom used to tell dad वो special instruction देके जाती थी पापा, because dad had to leave to monitor me and to keep on telling me to study. So yeah, he didn't used to completely tell me go and study. He used to just
Mhm.
monitor whether I'm studying or watching phone. So mom used to tell, monitor this girl. She should give mock exam within this time, 3 hours. If she doesn't, then take her paper. सो मैं वही टाइम पे बैठती थी और थोड़ा रिवीजन जब करती तो पापा आते थे, तुमने एग्जाम स्टार्ट किया? देन नहीं नहीं अभी करने वाली हूँ. तो आई यूज्ड टू सिट जस्ट लाइक एग्जाम हॉल environment,
Mhm.
but I was alone. That was something good. But in exam hall there are so many students and teacher monitoring you, so that is still fine if you know it and you have a lot of confidence. So I used to sit, and within 3 hours I used to complete the papers. So only for two exams like law and accounts मैंने घर पे दिया. और मतलब वही दो पेपर मेन फोकस था मेरा. दूसरे मैंने
Mhm.
वीडियोस देखे थे एंड थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस किया, तो उसका नहीं किया कुछ. वो खुद कर लिया, मतलब मॉक एग्जाम प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस देख के, बट नॉट एज अ मॉक एग्जाम. तो अकाउंट्स एंड लॉ वैसे प्रैक्टिस किया. और फिर लॉ इंस्टीट्यूट, सॉरी व्हाट यू से, मेरी एकेडमी, उन्होंने दे हैव दे यूज्ड टू गिव अ गुड मटेरियल, शॉर्ट मटेरियल फॉर लास्ट मिनट रिवीजन. सो वो भी बहुत काम आया. और फिर अक्टूबर हो गया एंड अक्टूबर में एक न्यूज मिली कि दिसंबर, November exams are postponed to December. So that was something, is a celebration for every student. We're like, oh, it's very good. It's postponed. We got a lot of time to study now. So तब पढ़ने के बजाय हमने बहुत relax किया because we got
Right.
time. So we wasted time. Then we started again in November. November like December में एग्जाम है. फिर एक और सर्कुलर आया कि दिसंबर के जो एग्जाम्स हैं वो December 15th पे नहीं, but they are starting from December 31st. So more 15 days delay. One more good news, but not that much because it was just 1 month away. So till November, November 20th से first mock, ICI mock start होने वाला था. And we were like tensed. तब हमारे mind में एक क्या बोलते हैं कुछ fit हो गया था, that is if you fail in the mock you're going to fail in the final exam. हमने एक मूवी भी आई थी तब, हाफ सीए बोल के. But that movie, when you see it with so much attention because we can relate to that situation. जो भी वहाँ पे वो आर्ची करके एक लड़की है and she faces all those challenges, and when she sits in the exam ऐसा fear आता है उसके अंदर because she was not able to tally the balance sheet. And एक और चीज that you don't need to, any CA student doesn't need to worry about is the balance sheet. अकाउंट्स मतलब स्कूल में प्रॉब्लम था, वो बैलेंस शीट टैली नहीं होती थी तो मार्क्स कटते थे. बट हियर नो, स्टेप्स करेक्ट होने चाहिए. बैलेंस शीट टैली हो या ना हो इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. हो गई तो वेरी गुड, बट अगर नहीं हो रही तो यू शुड जस्ट लीव इट. बैलेंस शीट टैली करने में टाइम वेस्ट हुआ तो मार्क्स भी बहुत वेस्ट हो जाएंगे. सो this is the tips that I had got from our accounts teacher, and he has played a very important role. His name is Akhilesh, and he's from Mangalore. बहुत ही एक्सपर्ट हैं वो अकाउंट्स में, एंड उन्हीं की वजह से वी हैव क्लियर दिस एग्जाम, इफ आई कैन टेल, बिकॉज अकाउंट्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो यूज्ड टू टेल डोंट गो एंड टैली बैलेंस शीट, इफ इट इज नॉट टैलिंग जस्ट लीव इट, राइट. सो मॉक एग्जाम्स में मैंने उसको छोड़ दिया, मेरी कभी बैलेंस शीट टैली नहीं हुई. एंड एक्चुअली सीए में बैलेंस शीट टैली होना is little difficult because something will miss. And if you're very good at accounts, then very good. It will surely tally. So mock exams may didn't get tallied, but when I checked my papers, I had got almost full marks. Like 1 mark maybe it has cut for not tallying because all the items that I had entered in that account were right except two or three. So marks nahi kata, but if you go and tally that one, your full marks is going
Mhm.
and you're just getting zero. So 4 to 5 marks you lose there if you go and tally that. तो वो एक important चीज है जो avoid करना है. So coming back to it, I told about my mocks, but finals is a suspense thriller like a movie. My life whole went like a movie there, so I'll tell that soon. So in mock, first mock, we all thought that if you're going to fail in this mock, we are going to fail in the finals because of that movie impact we had. Because her mock exam went bad and then she was very worried. So हमने सोचा कि mock exam को skip करते हैं, ये वाले first mock को, because we are not that prepared and we don't want our confidence to get low. And confidence low हो गया तो फिर exam भी गया, तो confidence ही चाहिए mainly, तो इसलिए नहीं दिया वो mock. We just prepared more and दिसंबर में एक और मॉक था, बट बिफोर दिसंबर वी हैड रिटन वन आवर इंस्टीट्यूट मॉक, हमारी एकेडमी का. सो आई स्टडीड इन ब्रिक्स एकेडमी दैट इज इन मल्लेश्वरम, and their teachers are also awesome, and owner one, what do you say, OPC, his institute is awesome, and one more is opening in Yelhanka, so it's great for the students to go there and learn if they stay nearby. Then so that mock I had a little practice by writing that academy mock. Then in December, on December 15th, our second ICI mock was starting, and I was sure, I had completely made my mind that even if I don't, if I have not studied that much, complete 100%, I should go and write this mock, because this is going to be a very effective and important role it's going to play in my finals. I needed to practice that time, even if I didn't know 100% of all subjects. Students don't need to learn 100%. 100% नहीं चाहिए किसी को, बस at least 60% भी हो गया है every subject का, और maths का 50% भी हो गया तो you can clear if you're sure in that 50%, right? So मैंने दिसंबर वो 15 to 21 था एग्जाम, तो वो दिया, और उसमें I got 207 as I said. So I just rectified my mistakes because there were just 10 days left for the finals. 21st हो गया, तो 22nd से if I go on revising, 31st was the first paper, accounts. Maha paper, and we all have that kind of philosophy in us कि फर्स्ट एग्जाम बुरा गया तो पूरा बुरा जाने वाला है, ये सबको वो काइंड ऑफ इनबिल्ट है सबके अंदर, है ना? वो दैट्स कॉमन ह्यूमन बिहेवियर कि फर्स्ट खराब गया तो सारे भी बकवास जाएंगे. बट इन सीए यू डोंट नीड टू थिंक दैट. फर्स्ट पेपर और एनी पेपर गोज बैड, यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन अदर्स. एंड इफ यू आर गोइंग टू थिंक कि फर्स्ट गया तो सब भी बुरा जाएगा, तो आफ्टर ऑल हु इज लूजिंग? हम ही हारने वाले. तो फॉर अस टू सेव आवर रिस्पेक्ट, बिकॉज मेनली क्या होता है, रिलेटिव्स दे वोंट बी टच विद अस, बट दिस आफ्टर एग्जाम्स वो फर्स्ट ही क्वेश्चन जब रिजल्ट आएगा वही कॉल करेंगे पहले और पूछेंगे फेल हुई है पास. थिंक कभी तो वो लोग आए नहीं, बट एग्जाम्स के टाइम एवरी स्टूडेंट को वो पूछेंगे फेल हुआ या पास आपका बच्चा. दे विल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ कंसर्न फॉर अस टू स्प्रेड पूरे रिलेटिव्स में. मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि जो मैं सीए कर रही हूँ किसी को भी पता चले इन माय फैमिली, बट माय डैड ही टोल्ड एवरीवन. He just told my daughter is doing CA. It's very easy to tell, but to clear it is that difficult. So it is not actually that difficult if you do what is needed. So December 31st, I went to the exam. I was seriously before exam studying is not important. Sorry, you should not study before the exam. So because that lowers the confidence and you suddenly see some question that you have not done. That always happens.
Right,
एग्जाम से पहले
right.
कभी नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए. In that 5 to 10 minutes, you just need to relax, calm down. Whatever, pray to God that whatever you studied is in your brain. You don't need something extra. So every exam अब तक जो भी हुआ था, मैं उसमें एग्जाम से जाने से पहले I used to listen to songs to calm down myself and to be chill कि just exam है, everything will go good. So as soon as I went there, my institute for that, it was in Malleshwaram only. I don't remember the college name. जरूरी भी नहीं है. वहां पे गई और पापा ने ड्रॉप किया. तब एक थॉट आया मेरे दिमाग में, इतने सारे लोग थे एंड आई न्यू द पासिंग परसेंटेज वाज जस्ट 20% फॉर सीए फाउंडेशन. इट वाज 18 to 20%. देन सडनली आई थॉट, am I among those 20% in whole India who is going to clear the CA foundation? क्या मैं वो हूँ? Because so many students rushing and seeing the roll numbers, full bunch of them. So I was little scared. Anxiety तो होती है, common है. Then I thought, no, I am among them. I have done my best. I listened to some songs. But एक problem and एक तब मुसीबत आ गई थी. I'll tell you. Calculator is very important here again for a student. कैलकुलेटर, प्रैक्टिस इन इट, जो भी कैलकुलेटर में हमारा प्रैक्टिस है वही हमें एग्जाम में लेके जाना चाहिए. अगर कोई भी न्यू कैलकुलेटर फर्स्ट टाइम एग्जाम में लेके यूज कर रहे हो तो यू विल नॉट बी एक्सपर्ट इन दैट. एग्जाम वो लेट होगा बिकॉज यू विल सी द नंबर्स एंड देन टाइप. इफ यू आर सो परफेक्ट इन दैट कैलकुलेटर, you will just not see the numbers also. You will just go on typing. And Calculated tricks for maths is again very important. If your teacher has not taught you how to use those tricks, then you can see so many videos sitting there in the YouTube. So the tricks are very important for maths, especially in time value of money. So what tricks or that I was very confident in. So क्या हुआ, ऐसी क्या चैलेंज थी उस दिन 31st के दिन मॉर्निंग आई वाज रिवाइजिंग. I got up early at 5 o'clock. I was revising, just revising. I was using that calculator. And I knew कि दो कैलकुलेटर लेके जाना एग्जाम में, बिकॉज एक अगर रुक भी गया, बिकॉज कैलकुलेटर जो है एग्जाम तक बहुत लॉयल
Mhm.
होगा. दैट विल ऑलवेज बी विथ यू, बट एग्जाम के टाइम पे कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होगा कि कैलकुलेटर स्टॉप कर जाएगा, बिकॉज यू हैव यूज्ड इट फॉर सो मेनी मंथ्स, और you will need a new one that time. And kya hoga, you will not have it, so you should take two calculators for example. I knew that I had got ready two calculators in morning, but I was using one and I was perfect in. And मेरी calculator की हालत, I should have shown you, I should have bought that. It was like it was damaged, like the upper part of it was broken, but it was still working. So मैंने सोचा यही एग्जाम में लेके जाऊंगी. Still so loyal. It is still working even after it's broken, and so many times it has fell in my classes. So students, my friends were like, ये क्या है, इतना टूटने के बाद भी ये काम कर रहा है. मैंने बोला यही एग्जाम में लेके जाऊंगी because I have practice in this. So Subah I was, doing sums and using it, but that anxiety, because of that, I had kept my hall ticket. That is so important, pouch, everything. But वो calculator मैं लेना भूल गई. Biggest mistake, and that can be called as ignorance or exam tension में जल्दी जल्दी में I went, and then when I'm going, like 10 minutes are remaining for the exam, and I'm taking out my hall ticket, my
Mhm.
pouch, and I'm searching for calculator. It's not there. Two calculators I had to keep, and I forgot it. I was blaming myself. I was so scared. Till then, I had been calm. I had completely been confident, but that moment that shivered me, completely shook me. Then I immediately called that. Thankfully, he had come to drop me for each exam. He used to come. If I would have come by bus or something, then
Mhm.
that would be the worst moment. I should have gone out, rushed out, and searched for shops to buy it. I asked two, three friends. They had already gone inside, but then they didn't have extra calculator. They also didn't bring it. So I immediately called dad. I was like, Dad, it's gone. I'm gone. I forgot the calculator. Then he would have thought, what is this? It's silly ignorance. But to calm me down, he was like, don't worry. In 2 minutes, I'm bringing the new one. तुम बस बाहर आ जाओ, एक मिनट के लिए लेके चले जाओ. Be calm and write the exam well. So he came, and that was a completely new calculator for me. And that I have faced. That is why every student को मैं यही कहूँगी कि प्लीज वो मिस्टेक मत करो. दैट इज वेरी हॉरिफाइंग एट दैट मोमेंट. तो मैंने जल्दी से कैलकुलेटर लिया और मैं जाके हॉल में बैठी. और जो रूम थी, मतलब किसी ने मुझे कहा कि यू हैव टू गो टू दिस रूम, योर रूम इज दिस. सो आई वेंट देयर एंड सैट लास्ट बेंच, बट माय रोल नंबर वाजंट सीन इन ऑन एनी
Mhm.
बेंच. देन आई वाज लाइक ऑलरेडी टाइम कम है, मैं कहाँ पे रोल नंबर ढूंढ के बैठूं. मैं जाके लास्ट बेंच में बैठ गई. एंड देन there was a guy sitting beside me, and he told, can you please share your scale? I was in this exam, I have to write and I have to share my scale with him. I told, okay, fine, I'll share. I sat. Teacher came. Teacher then asked me while distributing answer papers that whether your here is a roll number. Then I told, this guy, a person, your same institute teacher told me to sit here, to go to this room. I've
Mhm.
come here. So she was like, no, no, this is not your room. You find your room. So that was still more second horrifying thing. I went out and then I searched for my room because that main confusion was because of this calculator. Or else I would go and search for my perfect room and sit. Because of this calculator, so many problems were arising. So I went to my room and sat. Then I calmed myself down that whatever happens, whatever has happened, forget it. Paper will come and just write whatever I know. So the teacher distributed. I had already started distributing the answer papers in that room. I got it. I sat, and then I saw the paper. There were long questions, tough questions, but some questions that I knew. So I started with that. So till school, we used to write in order. We used to go with question wise, one to the last. But here it is not important. वही लिखो जो तुमको आता है पहले. That boosts your confidence that you're done with what you know. So मैंने बड़े बड़े questions पहले start किए, like 5 marks, 10 marks from the last that I knew, from few chapters that were my favorite. So I started with that. I completed those, but because of that fear and anxiety till that moment I had, because of that hurry burry, my brain wasn't that calm to write the answers and think properly. So whatever came to my mind, I
Mhm.
wrote the amounts, and I couldn't calculate that. I didn't get the answer. I left it and then just did the full paper like that. And then I saw revalued. There were a lot of answers that I had to write, 3 to 4 in the last remaining time. Believe me, the paper was not that bad, but because of that situation, I messed up the paper. I really messed the paper. I'm not confident of clearing the paper. So
Mhm.
I went home and I was crying. I went out of the exam hall after the exam, and then I told dad. Dad was eagerly waiting to see how my paper was. He asked, "कैसा था paper?" Then मैंने बोला, "It was not," because I can't tell it was good. I can't lie because at the last final time they will see my marks. So I was like,
Mhm.
"अच्छा, not it was not good." Then he stood there. There were 2 3 students beside me. Dad asked them. उन्होंने पूछा कि तुम्हारा कैसा था? तो उन्होंने भी कहा कि मेरा भी अच्छा नहीं है। तो वो मुझे थोड़ा अच्छा लगा कि वो भी उनका भी थोड़ा खराब गया मेरे लिए, तो मेरे जैसे। तो इट वाज नॉट लाइक उनका अच्छा था और मेरा खराब गया। तो दे वर आल्सो अमंग मी। देन ही वाज लाइक ठीक है, लेट्स गो होम, इट्स ओके। वन पेपर खराब गया तो क्या हुआ, बाकी 3 हैं, यू कैन स्कोर इन दैट। बट आई न्यू इट, एक में फेल हुए तो सब में फेल। सो दैट समवेयर, व्हाट यू से, आई वाज सो डिसहार्टेंड दैट टाइम कि इतनी मेहनत किया। ऐसा नहीं था कि आई हैड नॉट स्टडीड, विदाउट स्टडिंग आई वेंट, आई वर्कड हार्ड एंड आई वर्कड स्मार्ट आल्सो। एंड यहाँ पे आके, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द पेपर, मैंने खुद की वजह से इतना मिस कर दिया। तो दैट वाज अ वेरी डिसहार्टनिंग फीलिंग। आई वेंट होम almost about to cry. I just wanted to go home and cry, go to my room, lock it and cry. So I went inside. Mom, that day, it was New Year. It was New Year for everyone, December 31st, and it was a, what do you say, a very
Yeah.
bad moment for me. It was not at all New Year for us. So I went to room,
Mhm.
and there was I have a best friend called Ananya. She had always been my inspiration. So sorry. She had always been my inspiration, and she had always motivated me through my journey. So on that day, I went home, I went to my room, and mom, वो मुझे पूछती है कैसा था पेपर। तो मैंने बोला बिल्कुल बहुत बकवास था, अभी मुझे कुछ भी मत पूछो, आई जस्ट वांट टू बी अलोन। But she was like, okay, take your time, but you need to calculate your marks in this answer and show me. She wanted to know how much I'm getting. But I was like, क्या मतलब, I'm not even going to pass. I can't see this paper again. I don't want to, see and get the marks. I mean, calculate the marks and show you. But she told you, this is important. I want it. You do whatever you want for 10 minutes and then come out and show me how much you're getting.
Mhm.
Then dad called me out and he was like, "You don't calculate, you give me the paper. I will read the question, I will read it, and then you tell me how much have you done, how much will you get in this question." So he 15 minutes we were doing that, and then I was getting around 30 because I gave myself the least marks. And that is important for every student.
Mhm.
Don't give yourself out of out when you do the mocks or finals. And out of 5, I'm going to get 5. That is not important. What is important is to know where you actually are. Because obviously I was failing as per me. Then my mom told me, and that night it was horrifying for me. I didn't get sleep the whole night, and between two exams there is 1 day gap, just 1 day gap to revise the next paper. So after this accounts exam, I just had 1 day for law. So that whole night I was thinking about one thing that was told by our law teacher. उन्होंने कहा था कि स्टूडेंट्स क्यों क्विट करते हैं। उन्होंने कहा था कि सीए में आने के बाद मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स क्विट। देन मैं सोचती थी कि क्यों क्विट करते हैं, लिया ही क्यों सीए, क्विट करना है तो। आई यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट, बट ऑन दैट डे आई वाज थिंकिंग, I got to know why students actually quit because of the fear of failure. They quit. So,
Mhm.
and that
Right.
night I was just seeing, I was using phone and seeing about other options. My sister was doing ACCA, International CA, and that is valued international. You have to go abroad and stay there and, work there. But Indian CA is something different. I wanted to stay in India and pursue this. So रात को मैं सोच रही थी इतनी मेहनत किया गई, तो इसके अलावा क्या ऑप्शन है। तब मुझे वो याद आया कि सर कहते थे सब लोग क्विट करते हैं। तब मुझे खुद फील हुआ I was so confident that I will not never quit. But that day I got to know that I am also at the position of quitting. I'm seeing these videos, other videos. Then I stopped it. I woke up in morning, and that night, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you this. That night when I was crying so much, I cannot forget this best friend who had helped me till that point, who had been my motivation, and me being her motivation. So I called her and I told बहुत बकवास गया. She had wished me so much कि बहुत अच्छा जाएगा. मैं बोला बहुत ही बकवास गया, and वो मेरी वजह से बकवास गया. पेपर उतना भी खराब नहीं था. तो she was like it's okay. And उसने कहा कि तुम मुझे वीडियो कॉल करना. मैंने अब तक तुम्हें रोते हुए नहीं देखा है, अभी मुझे देखना है. So she saw me crying, and she could relate to her EE. Her situation in JEE was the same. When she wrote the exam and it was all gone, her marks were just nowhere because she hadn't done it so good. So she also started crying, seeing me crying that night. So we all shared our pain, sorrows. So उसने बोला कि if you clear, I am also going to celebrate. If you don't, it's okay. You're still my best friend, and I am also going to cry for this failure of yours. It's okay. It's a part and parcel. ये हो रहा है, उसके बाद 6 months में एक और exam है. You can prepare for that. And after December, the exam was in May, the next attempt. And the what do you say? The precious and the beautiful thing about that attempt, December 31st, was it was the last attempt of the old syllabus. जो old syllabus था, that was very good. And the new syllabus जो आ रहा था, that was all hard and tough chapters of the second level CA Inter जो CA Foundation में डाल रहे थे. And ICI wanted to make the CA Foundation, that's a beginning, tough. And the reason behind making the CA Foundation tough, the beginning tough, is because they wanted to make it tough कि जो भी है starting में they can filter the students, and later on CA finals little easy. Because जो अंदर घुस गया एक बार इस CA की journey में, let him clear and get out. Because so many people, they are going into CA Foundation, clearing it easy, and then CA finals itna tough, they quit there. That's what happens with the maximum students. So I knew that this जो है ये golden attempt है. Every teacher used to tell us कि golden attempt है. Every YouTuber that time. So I knew it, and I was disheartened because of that reason too. कि ये golden attempt है. ये इस old syllabus गया, new syllabus आ जाएगा. Same syllabus but with tough questions and with little extra in maths, little lot of extra in law, and law was going to become 100% law. I forgot to tell one more point here, that is law paper was divided into two subjects. It was law and BCR. BCR is nothing but English. Is it fine now?
Yeah, Sadaf, it
Yeah,
is
it is.
much
It
better,
is.
much clearer.
It's
Yes.
better? Okay. Just a minute. Yeah. So I was, where was I? I was after this accounts exam. So I just had that one day to prepare for law. And that day, I called Ananya again on that one day. So she told me, and when I told her that I'm thinking to shift my career, this profession of some to something other, because I'm sure I'm not going to clear in this. So she was like, अगर तू shift कर रही है तो it was never your dream. If you're going to quit it because of one paper, and that too you're not sure whether you're clearing or not, you still don't know whether you're passing in that paper or not, then it was never your dream. तू May में देगी, you're going to give in May, and there you will clear, I'm sure. If you fail in this, if you fail, then I told, okay, fine, I'm not going to quit this. I'm going to do it. And I am very thankful to her to give this motivation at the last minute. I needed it from someone. So my parents also motivated me. They were asking me, they were asking me, are you sure you want to quit? Because at night I told mom I'm not going to do this because I was crying and I was not in a situation to think anything. So in that morning, my parents, they called me, and that time after talking to her, I was motivated. I really wanted to do it again, and I was ready to face this challenge. So मैंने मम्मी को कहा कि I'm not going to quit. I'm really not going to quit even if I fail in this paper. So I went to dad, वहाँ पे गई, and उन्होंने भी पूछा कि if you are going to quit, we are with you. Parents will always support. It's our decision. We are at this stage. हम ये stage पे हैं कि अभी parents will not guide us. They will not tell कि तुम्हें वहाँ पे जाना है, तुमको ऐसे करना है. Whatever we want to do, they will just support us. So the पापा ने कहा, even if you're going to quit, we are going to support you. Even if you want to do, fine, you can do. Most it will be great if you continue with this. So I told, yes, I'm going to do. If I'm not going to clear in this attempt, I'm going to give the next one. That is May, with a tough one. So I just revised law that day, and next paper, I decided in mind, I made my mind that when I come out of the exam hall, I should see it and tell that my paper was good. मेरा पेपर अच्छा था. मैंने पहले से ही डिसाइड कर लिया था कि पहले पेपर में जो न्यू ईयर मैंने स्पॉइल किया है, अब उसको कुछ तो आई शुड मेक अप टू इट. तो मैं गई. Law paper was actually tough, but for me, as I see it, things happen the way you see it. And the main quote that I love still now and forever is, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. So that is really beautiful one and a true one. When you, that's a perspective of seeing, देखने का नजरिया. तो मैंने लॉ पेपर को इतनी इजीली देखा, मतलब इन इजी कि वो बहुत इजी है वैसे ही देखा. एंड आई जस्ट रोट इट व्हाटएवर आई न्यू, फॉर्मेट्स करेक्ट विद नो सेक्शन नंबर, बिकॉज आई डिडंट remember any section number except one or two. So I just wrote what I knew, and I came out of exam and I knew that I'm going to clear this paper. I was very sure, at least 50 to 60, because in mock exams I used to get 65, 66. So I was sure that this is going to be a strong weapon in my, if for me to clear the exam. So I came out of the exam hall and I smiled broadly and told dad कि बहुत अच्छा था. It was very good. Even though I didn't know exactly how much I'm getting, but I was sure. So he smiled and he was like, very good. So we went home and then I started preparing for the next paper, and I was very confident about maths paper, math, stats, and LR, because I had so many times done MCQs, and it was a complete MCQ paper with no theory, no practical questions. So that was a good thing. But main game player was negative marking. So until that point, I was practiced to not do the questions that I didn't know. So that point, I prepared for one day maths, same previous year questions, same MTPs, nothing extra, and just revise the formulas of stats, maths, LR, few practice. That's it, nothing much. Went to exam hall, saw the questions, and became so happy. बहुत खुश हो गई पेपर देख के कि it was very good. Whatever I knew came in the exam, and whatever I had learned in that 100 MCQ marathon, वही आया. तो I was very, वही मतलब वही type का question आया. Same तो आता नहीं है, but वही type का question, and I was aware of the concept. तो मैं जाके मैंने वो लिख दिया, सब कुछ कर दिया, and only 53 questions I attempted. Not whole 100 questions I knew, but I was sure कि I will clear this exam. And मेरा target भी 50 ही था. मुझे maths में ज़्यादा चाहिए भी नहीं था, because that was in a subject that was so, I didn't learn it in BUC. So 50 was, I was grateful with that 50 marks. I was thankful of having just 50. So मैंने 53 ही attempt किया, and I was very sure कि मुझे 53 नहीं तो 52 कुछ तो आएगा, इतना ही आएगा. तो मैं exam hall के बाहर आई जब, तो मैंने पापा ने पूछा कितने attempt किए. He always asks me this in MCQ papers, कितने attempt किए. मैंने बोला 53. तो his smile went to his mood changed, and he was like, बस 53. बोला हाँ 53 ही. मैंने उनको समझाया कि देखो नेगेटिव मार्किंग में मुझे पहले भी क्लास टेस्ट में बहुत कम मार्क्स आए थे बिकॉज ऑफ गेसिंग. आई वाज नॉट श्योर एंड आई यूज्ड टू गेस. तो ऐसे हुआ मार्क्स. अब बट आई एम वेरी श्योर कि आई विल गेट दिस 53 मार्क्स. So you don't worry, chill. I am sure, I am happy. So you also be happy. So उन्होंने बोला okay, I don't know, but it was good, so good. So then I went home. And the one important thing that I did was calculating my marks till there. What I imagined, and that is actually very important. Just don't go and you shouldn't do all the papers and then finally calculate how much you're getting, and that is a reality shock you'll get then. You'll not even get to know what will happen. So उसके बाद मैंने calculate किया कि accounts में imagine I'm just clearing just 40. I gave myself so 40. अगर भगवान की इतनी दया हो गई और मैं clear भी हो गई 40, तो just 40. Then law, I thought I actually calculated, revalued my paper, and so I was just clearing law also. Just 43. Then I got to know the paper was not so easy, but it was easy for me because I wanted to come out of the exam hall and tell it was easy, it was good, and I saw in that way, and I just attempted the paper easily. That doesn't mean the paper was actually easy. It was not that easy, and I was just clearing 43. So I thought, okay, 40 and 43 becomes 83. I need to get 200. Maths, I was sure that I'll get 53. So then 40, even if you take 40, 40 in both the papers, 80, and 15 maths minimum, so 130. Now in this last paper, I had to get 70 marks at least to get exact 200.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thankfully I did that calculation so that I knew how much should I get in this last paper to clear. And फिर तो वही था कि 70 नहीं चाहिए, 70 से ज़्यादा ही करना होगा attempt. You know, if I attempt 70, then I will just around some 200, or I will not be sure of getting 200. So I had to guess in that paper. It was a majburi. Because I should clear. I went to the exam hall and economics मेरा favorite paper था. So I went there, I saw the questions, and I was little overconfident in this economics. पता है, when you're so perfect in some subject, you become overconfident. I knew I shouldn't be overconfident, but वो automatic है. थोड़ा overconfident थी. उधर जाके मैंने attempt कर दिया, और फिर मैंने देखा कि I'm attempting 70 questions, 75 questions. I was little sure about it, almost sure about it. Then I thought, oh, if I'm attempting this 75, then I'm not getting about 200. That because accounts का मैंने 40 रखा था, but I was actually near around 30s according to me. At least 200 से ऊपर आ जाए. तो मैंने 10 question, some 8 to 10 questions I guessed. So I had to guess that time. So I guessed and came out and told that this paper was also good. And उनका reaction था कि देखो 3 पेपर तुम्हारे अच्छे गए, एक पेपर में तुमने देखो कैसे किया, एक पेपर गया तुम्हारा. तो that was sad thing because एक पेपर की वजह से ही वो 3 पेपर अच्छे गए. Just because of this one paper, that 3 papers went good. My brain, मेरा दिमाग खुल गया, और I had to somehow clear those 3 papers because mom had told me, उन्होंने बोला कि at least इज्जत रह जाएगी in relatives. हम बोल पाएंगे कि तुम्हारे 3 पेपर अच्छे गए, तुमने क्लियर किया, और एक पेपर खराब किया, उसकी वजह से तुम फेल हो. एटलीस्ट वी कैन टेल दिस, सो डू दैट 3 वेरी गुड. उसी की वजह से मैंने 3 बहुत अपनी 100% दे के किया था, और ये 3 बहुत अच्छे गए. लाइक आई कुड क्लियर दिस हायर पॉसिबिलिटीज. और उसके बाद the main what do you say, the main जो challenge है is after exams you get that 1 month break. और अगर आपके एग्जाम बहुत अच्छे गए हो and you're so sure वो 1 month भी बहुत अच्छा जाएगा, you can enjoy, you can do whatever you want. बट जब ये डिलेमा में हो, कंफ्यूजन हो कि तुम क्लियर कर रहे हो या नहीं कर रहे हो, कितने आएंगे, वो 1 मंथ में भी तुम्हारे बहुत सारे शॉक्स मिलेंगे तुमको बीच बीच में. यू विल रिमेंबर कि वो रिजल्ट डेट आने वाला है, रिजल्ट इज कमिंग. सो दैट इज अ कंप्लीट डिफरेंट नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑफ फियर, नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑफ टेंशन. So, but still I knew कि अभी जो होगा वो हो गया है, जो होना था हो गया. अब 1 month है, let's enjoy. So I enjoyed for few days, but when the result date neared, हम सब के जो कहते हैं we all were tensed, and on that day always ICI plays with students. They want to make students fully tensed. On that day हमेशा result day पे they will delay the result. That is confirmed. They will delay to increase our anxiety. So I knew कि पेपर जो है मॉर्निंग में they had told कि 8 o'clock आएगा, but I knew कि रात में भी आ सकता है, higher possibilities रात में ही आएगा, because last time CA foundation पेपर रात के 12 बजे आया था. So I knew कि रात में भी आ सकता है, तो it's okay. I was little happy कि morning बोला तो delay तो होगा पक्का. So I delayed. It's normal nature. It delayed from 8 to 10, then from 10 to 2, and then all the YouTube channels I was continuously in check with it कि क्या बोल रहे हैं, कब आएगा पेपर. उन्होंने कहा कि 2:30 शार्प आएगा, 2:30 के अराउंड तो आने ही वाला है. दैट टाइम आई वाज वेरी श्योर कि वो 2:30 अब श्योर बोला तो आएगा ही आएगा. तो आई यूज्ड टू कम चेक द ICI वेबसाइट, गो देयर एंड कीप चेकिंग कि रिजल्ट आया है नहीं, और तब तक नहीं आया था. 5 o'clock तक यही कहा, 5:30 तक भी नहीं आया. फिर 7:30 तक एक सेरेमनी थी घर पे, तब मतलब घर पे नहीं थी, वो फंक्शन बाहर था, और मम्मी वेट करके निकल गई थी ऑलरेडी, बट पापा वाज वेटिंग फॉर माय रिजल्ट. मम्मी ने कहा इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू गो, सो आई गो, बट यू कॉल मी अंटिल अगर रिजल्ट आया. तो डैड वाज वेटिंग फॉर मी टिल 7 o'clock. देन उन्होंने कहा कि मैं भी जा रहा हूँ, तुम देख लो, आई डोंट थिंक कि आज तुम्हारा रिजल्ट आने वाला है, कल आएगा शायद, कल पोस्टपोन हो चुका होगा. So he went. As soon as he went, as well he was going, I was about to close the door. The message came in the group. Our CA accounts teacher, we had a group with him. So he had, wrote, guys, results are out, please check. So वो time जब मैं डोर बंद कर रही हूँ तो वो मैसेज आया, so in shock कि वो आ गया. तो मैंने पापा को नहीं रोका. I didn't tell कि मेरे रिजल्ट आ गए, आ जाओ और देख लो कि मैं फेल हो गई. तो मुझे वो नहीं बोलना था, तो मैंने सोचा कि let him go and enjoy the function. after they come and show them the result. If I fail, but if I clear, मैंने तभी सोच लिया तो मैं उनको immediately call करके बोलूंगी कि मेरा result आ गया. So he went and he went like after 5 to 10 minutes. I told him, okay, I came in, I locked the door, I came inside. मैंने वो website डाला और वो भी तब तक मैंने ज़्यादा प्रेयर नहीं किए थे खुद के लिए. The main reason was कि मैं खुद अपना अकाउंट्स पेपर मिस करके आई थी और जब खुद अपना बेस्ट नहीं दिया तो मैं क्या मांगू. मतलब वो थी मेरी माइंडसेट. जब मैंने खुद अपना बेस्ट, जब हम खुद सब बेस्ट करके आते हैं, वी टेल गॉड प्लीज let me succeed. मैंने अपना बेस्ट किया है and I want you to help me. बट मैंने खुद नहीं किया था and people were telling me कि please pray करो. Prayers work. I know prayers work. But when I myself messed up one paper and I just didn't want to pray. That whole month I didn't pray that much. I used to pray but not to my level best. So that day all prayers they appeared at once. I was starting to pray that time when results came. And वो time पे pray करने का भी कोई फायदा नहीं है. Because ऐसे कि वेबसाइट में ऑलरेडी वो एक दिन पहले अपलोड होके पोस्ट हो चुका है.
Yeah.
अगर प्रेयर्स बाई मिस्टेक भी कुछ वर्क करना है तो एक दिन पहले करो. लास्ट मिनट पे जब वो अपलोड कर रहे हैं मे बी टाइपिंग मिस्टेक हो जाए कुछ. This line our CA teacher used to tell us, accounts teacher, कि you should pray one day before if you want to pray, because that time they can do some mistake. That might happen. They do some mistake in uploading the result or 30 के बजाय 40 हो जाए कुछ भी. तो but वो time पे automatic prayers were coming and I was praying, please जो भी है please I should pray, sorry please I should pass. So धीरे धीरे my hands were shivering. I entered my roll number and the page opened. Very great page for every CA student. So that page opened and my eyes didn't go to pass or fail also. People see pass या fail, बस वो भी नहीं देखा मैंने. बस टोटल देखना था कि 200 से ऊपर है तो मैं पास और फेल देखूंगी. पास हूँ या फेल हूँ. 214 था. 214 and okay then I saw pass and fail and I cleared. It was pass. एंड मैंने और कुछ मार्क्स नहीं देखा, बस अकाउंट्स का देखा कि जो पेपर में मैंने सोचा कि मैं पास होने के चांसेस 90% नहीं है, उसी पेपर में मुझे 52 आया. एंड लाइक इट्स लाइक ऐसी बात है कि ये लड़की ओवर ड्रामा कर रही थी, ऐसा कुछ था नहीं. पेपर 52 आया ऐसे ना, नहीं मैं श्योर थी कि मैं पास नहीं होंगी. बिकॉज देयर आर सम पीपल हु टेल कि मैं फेल होंगी बट पास हो जाती. आई एम नॉट वन ऑफ देम. मुझे वो बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद कि बोलो कि मैं फेल होंगी और मैं क्लियर हो जाऊँ. मेरी एक फ्रेंड थी, वैसे मैं वैसे ही बोलती थी हमेशा, तो मैं पता था कि ये हम भी ड्रामा करती है. बट मेरा ऐसा सिचुएशन था कि मुझे श्योर थी कि आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू क्लियर इन दिस अकाउंट्स, बट आई क्लियर्ड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट स्टेप मार्किंग. मैं बैलेंस शीट टाई करके नहीं आई थी और मैंने एग्जाम हॉल में लास्ट मिनट में एक क्वेश्चन किया था एक चैप्टर का. 2-3 तो लास्ट मिनट में किए थे और मे बी वो दैट क्वेश्चन टर्न्ड आउट टू बी राइट. मे बी दिस miracles happened because of people beside near and dear ones. They prayed for me. Mummy, my mosi, my didi, they all used to pray for me. So maybe their prayers worked for my accounts paper and my last minute somehow scribbling and doing, maybe that worked out. And step based marking और यार किसी ऐसे इन्विजिलेटर ने करेक्ट किया जिसने थोड़ा दया खा लिया मुझ पे, या अच्छा था. her mood or his mood wasn't spoiled while correcting my paper. तो कुछ ऐसे ही हुआ है, इसलिए मैंने 53 तो आगे 52. उसके बाद I saw other papers and law as per my prediction was right. I was in like 43 मैंने सोचा था law paper के लिए. I got 42. So just 1 mark, but I was thankful that I cleared just 42, just cleared. Then maths paper, I thought I had attempted 53 and I got 52 in maths. So I knew 50 से तो ऊपर आने ही वाला है. And economics, where I took a chance, risk and guessed, those guessed answers always turned out to be wrong. So I had to take that chance. Accounts की वजह से मैं क्लियर हुई हूँ. वो पेपर जिसकी वजह से मैंने 3 पेपर अच्छे किए, वही पेपर में अच्छे मार्क्स आ गए. And because of that, all papers went, little marks went up. So economics went down. ऐसा होता है ना कि जो तुम्हारे साथ तक आखिरी में है, मेन टाइम पे वही साथ छोड़ जाते हैं. वैसे ही लॉ एंड इकोनॉमिक्स था मेरे लिए. मॉक एग्जाम्स तक I used to get good marks in that, but फाइनल्स में साथ ही छोड़ दिया. लॉ में जस्ट क्लियर हुए और इकोनॉमिक्स के मार्क्स भी कम हो गए. मुझे 70 आता था, 80 आता था इकोनॉमिक्स में मॉक में, और अभी 66 आया बिकॉज ऑफ माई गेसिंग. That was my mistake. I had to do it. I had no other option. So, but I was very happy that time. और कुछ नहीं सोचा, मैंने 2-3 मिनट के लिए बस होम टूर किया. I was running in the whole house from kitchen to hall to room, and ऐसी feeling है जैसे I just cleared my CA finals. जैसे ही दिखा वो जॉय ऑफ क्लियरिंग द एग्जाम, मुझे तब पता चला कि क्या होता है। एंड बिकॉज ऐसी टेंशन में थी तब तक मैं कि क्लियर होंगी या नहीं। तो आई वाज लाइक दैट इज द बेस्ट डे, स्टिल दैट इज द बेस्ट डे ऑफ माय लाइफ, इवन दो आई गेट सो मच मेनी मेमोरेबल डेज एंड हैप्पी डेज इन माय लाइफ, दैट वाज अ मेमोरेबल एंड दैट हार्ड वर्क एंड स्मार्ट वर्क पेड ऑफ दैट डे। तो अगर इफ वी फोकस एंड डू, एवरीथिंग विल पे ऑफ, एवरीथिंग कम्स टू अस। जैसा करोगे वैसा ही भरोगे, बुरा नहीं किया कुछ प्रिपरेशन तो वैसा ही रिजल्ट मिलेगा, एंड श्योर, इट्स श्योर। सो मैंने पहले पापा को कॉल किया, जैसे मैंने सोचा था कि अच्छा आया तो आई विल कॉल हिम। तो मैंने कॉल किया एंड ही वाज सरप्राइज, ही वाज लाइक व्हाट, यू क्लियर्ड, वाओ ग्रेट। ही टोल्ड मॉम, मॉम वाज बिसाइड हिम, मॉम आल्सो कांग्रेचुलेटेड कि वाओ, they had to be there with me that day. They went, they had to go function भी को भी उसी दिन आना था। So these all things happened, but I was very happy to be alone and see my results myself. वो so I called other people, sister, मौसी, and when I called मौसी, she was like, उन्होंने कहा कि मैं अभी तुम्हारे लिए प्रे कर रही थी, अभी मैं वही प्रे कर रही थी कि तुम्हारा रिजल्ट है आज और क्लियर हो जाए। तो उसके बाद अनन्या, हाउ कैन आई फॉरगेट हर, सो उसको कॉल किया एंड शी वाज लाइक वेरी हैप्पी फॉर मी। सो बोला वी हैव टू मीट सून, ये ट्रीट मुझे चाहिए। तो मैंने बोला श्योर, यू डिजर्व इट, आई विल कम सून टू योर होम, माई सेल्फ आई विल कम। सो फिर always so happy for me, more than me being happy for myself. Then I called my one more friend, RR Trika. She was in CA Inter that time, and I knew her because CA फाउंडेशन क्लासेस में वो आके हमारे साथ बैठी थी, बिकॉज शी टोल्ड कि मैं CA फाउंडेशन का जो रिजल्ट आने वाला है मेरा, सो दैट टाइम इट वाज लाइक बिफोर, मैं उसे क्लियर नहीं करने वाली बिकॉज आई एम नॉट डन। सो उसने फिर से क्लासेस ज्वाइन कर ली थी CA फाउंडेशन की। तो तब हम लोग दोस्त बने एंड उसने उसके बाद क्लियर भी कर लिया था प्रीवियस एग्जाम, जो उसने सोचा था कि वो नहीं क्लियर कर पाएगी। एंड तब मैंने उसे भी कॉल किया, तो शी वाज स्लीपिंग दैट डे, सो रही थी, रिजल्ट का वेट कर करके हमारा वो सो गई थी, और उसकी मम्मी ने कॉल उठाया एंड शी वाज लाइक, आई वाज टॉकिंग टू हर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, बट शी वाज टॉकिंग टू मी एज अ फ्रेंड। वो जेस्चर जो था, she was praising me like I was her own daughter, because she knows the happiness of parents when their daughter or son clears the exam. तो बोल रही थी तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया, may God bless you, and she was giving me so many blessings that day. I was like 10 minutes मैंने उनसे बात की। उसने बोला कि आरती का तुम्हारा वेट करके सो गई, मैं हूँ तो you know you've done very great and parents तुम्हारे बहुत proud होंगे। I was very happy to listen to such good words from a completely unknown person I don't know. So then I was waiting for parents to come. वो आ गए तो we celebrated. We had a cake cutting next day. So वो किया, उसके बाद हाँ मैं आई फॉर टेल, मेरे कॉलेज के जो फ्रेंड्स हैं उनको भी मैंने कॉल किया, श्रेया, so she is one of my closest friends, so I called her and I told bro I cleared. I knew that वो भी clear उसने कर लिया होगा because we were like almost सेम। तो उसको 230 के अराउंड कुछ आया था मार्क्स। उसने बोला आई आल्सो क्लियर्ड ब्रो, आई गॉट दिस मच, लाइक वेरी गुड। देन उसको सारे फ्रेंड्स की भी रिपोर्ट रहती कि उसने कितना आया, उसका कितना आया। तो उसने बोला कि सारे फ्रेंड्स आर फेल्ड ब्रो, लाइक ऑलमोस्ट वी वर लाइक ऑफ 5 एंड उसमें we three only had cleared and 2 फेल हो गए थे उसमें। तो एंड वन गर्ल हु फेल्ड was a bright student and she used to study better than me. And I was like, how can she fail? And वो best friend थी एक और topper की, शुभश्री, she is a rank student. बैंगलोर में I guess second rank है उसका CA फाउंडेशन में, and just because of that 2 marks maybe उसका rank change हो गया। तो she was my closest friend again, but उतनी भी close नहीं थी जितनी ये थी। तो उसने सारे सबके बताया कि उसको इतना है, शुभश्री ब्रो she got rank, वैसे भी हमको रैंक नहीं चाहिए था, हमको बस पास ही चाहिए सी और कुछ नहीं। तो अबाउट रश्मि था उसका नाम, फेल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ 2 सब्जेक्ट्स इट सीम्स, अकाउंट्स एंड मैथ। तो पता नहीं कैसे खराब गया, उसे लास्ट मिनट शायद प्रिपरेशन नहीं किया, जो भी है। सो देन one of my closest friends Surabhi, we were so close, more than Shreya, वो fail हो गई थी। तो I was very sad for her, and then later on I called her and motivated a lot कि ये तो हो गया, it's okay, you will clear in May exam, वो होगा। बट May एग्जाम भी नहीं हो पाया बिकॉज May टफ, May में सारे जो पेपर थे वो easy थे, बट बिकॉज ऑफ मैथ्स कहीं ना कहीं एक पेपर टफ बनाते हैं ICI, they will make everything easy and one paper so tough that it will be very tough for you to clear. And this paper in my attempt was law. Law was a game player and law में ही मेरा mindset change हो गया कि मुझे एग्जाम हॉल के बाहर आके बोलना है कि it was good. So I had done my best in that. Because of doing that best, I had cleared. Or else maybe I wouldn't have cleared law. 42 it was just very less and grateful about. So ये था मेरा experience, and I hope it was you would have seen so many challenges and so many issues coming up, but वो last minute में cope up करना
Yeah.
and last minute में अपना focus completely उससे हटा के, failure से हटा के success पे लगाना is tough, but that is necessary for you to keep going in life, because failure doesn't define you. It is a just stepping stone to success. And वो बहुत ही young age में हम लोग सीख लेते. We're just 18 when we gave the exam. 18, yeah, 18 completed. So young age में we become so exposed to failures, exposed to the real challenges that come up in life, relating to everything. It was not only about studies, it was about all the relations that I had. If I would fail, I wouldn't go out of home for so many days. मैं बाहर नहीं जाती, because everyone would ask me क्या हुआ, pass या fail, and even relatives would ask dad. So their head would just go down because of me, and I didn't want it that to happen. तो इसलिए मैं बोलती थी कि मैं जो CA कर रही हूँ, कि I don't want anyone to know. When it's like work in silence, let success make the noise. I don't want to keep boasting that I'm doing this, I'm doing that. और वो हुआ ही नहीं तो क्या फायदा, है ना? And people also in our success they will be with us, but in our failures no one takes credit. In our success everyone took credit. Dad, mom, like they also told that I motivated her, I guided her, and dad gave full credit to mom कि तुम्हारे गाइडेंस के अंदर जो तुमने इसे बार बार मोटिवेट किया, जो तुमने इसे बार बार वार्न किया कि डोंट स्टडी एट द लास्ट मोमेंट, वो काम आया है. तो they all shared the credits. I was so happy about it. So and main credit goes to my best friend who motivated me at the last moment. I actually needed someone to just motivate me. So yeah, that is it. And I'll share some few important tips that I actually believe can work and will work. And every YouTuber, every YouTube channel, you can find that. More apart from that, 2-3 more I would like to tell, and I would summarize clearing the exams in very short few points. First is ABC analysis. In every subject, it is not necessary for any student to be 100% perfect, because no one is perfect. जरूरत नहीं perfect होने की, बस जो tools तुमको help कर रहे हैं, जो high weighted chapters हैं, even if you don't like it, you should like it. Our accounts teacher used to say, you have no other option to love all the subjects. You have no other option. Even if you hate some subject, you have to love it in order to clear it. If you don't love any subject because of teacher, ऐसा होता है ना कि school life में we used to hate the maths teacher. So maths subject गया because maths teacher नहीं पसंद है. वैसे यहाँ पे teacher नहीं पसंद तो doesn't matter. You should know the subject. और main एक और problem थी कि maths जो teacher था ना वो बहुत ही बकवास था. इसमें CA foundation में भी. बस वो maths teacher lady teacher थी. So she was only the lady teacher for maths. And calculator tricks, I would give the credit to her. Because of her हमको सारे calculator tricks पता चले. But her teaching was not good. She didn't know how to teach. She was an expert. उन्होंने बहुत सारे courses किए, degrees लिए, but उनका experience didn't work because she didn't know how to teach. तो हमने last minute पे complain भी किया था because we didn't want us to face any problem because of her. Maths is important. हमने complain भी कर दिया था, and they replaced the teacher. They were like तुमको पहले बोलना चाहिए था. And teacher replaced हुई, and the new teacher, she knew how to teach, but she didn't know some topics. She didn't know what that was, so she used to learn and teach us. So maths teacher overall wasn't good. I just learned from YouTube and from little practice. So yeah, ABC analysis, that is basically categorizing the subjects, the chapters of each subject into most important and least important. I'm so sorry, I'll just silent my phone, calls are coming. So ABC analysis, my mom did it for me. She was like, you're wasting your time. How? She made a work document in Excel. So उन्होंने वहाँ पे लिखा कि most important categories A, which is of high weightage of each subject. So she divided the subjects, and then she wrote these important chapters for A category, then B, then C. C is least important. If you have time, you can do the C category subjects, chapters from each subject, or else you just ignore it. That's not at all important. But still, you should be aware of it, so you just see the concepts of it. So A is most important. You should do even if you hate it. So वो करना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो मैंने तब मुझे एक्चुअली पता चला मैप आई गॉट ऑफ ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स की. मैंने ये किया है, मैंने वो नहीं किया, तो आई गॉट टू नो. So whenever I used to complete some A category subject, I used to tick there. I used to mark कि मेरा हो गया है. तो वो ABC analysis is very important in CA foundation. But in CA inter जब अब मैं कर रही हूँ, जैन में एग्जाम है, तो ABC analysis will not work because ICA जो है कोई भी क्वेश्चन देगा एंड लीस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट से भी देगा, तो ABC एनालिसिस काम ही नहीं करेगा, तो वो नहीं करना है इंटर में. बट या फॉर फाउंडेशन इट वर्क्स, so you should do that. And second is consistency. Everyone tells that being consistent, it is not important how many hours you study in a day. And some people say that a CA student should study for 12 to 15 hours, and it's like I'll be shocked to hear that. And मैं सोचूंगी बोलना बहुत आसान है, करना वो मुश्किल है, and वो impossible. 12 to 15 hours only a angel and only a completely dedicated student can do, but not necessary to do in CA Foundation. You can study when you have not started studying for the last 3 months. In that last 3 months, you can do wonders. And that studying 5 years consistently is enough. 3 to 5 years, if you have studied all the months from beginning, that's enough, and that's more than enough. You don't need to do 8-9 hours at the last. But I had, as in my case, मैंने नहीं स्टार्ट किया था उतनी जल्दी से पढ़ना, मतलब उतनी बिगनिंग से. तो लास्ट टाइम पे अक्टूबर में जब मैंने वो 5 दिन लिए थे, तब आई हैड डिसाइडेड कि एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 days 8 hours I'll go. 8 hours is my maximum limit that I've reached. So एंड मेनली एक ऐप है जो मुझे अनन्या ने रिकमेंड किया था, दैट इज योल कुमटा. इट इज अ स्टडी ऐप, YPT. इफ यू type in Play Store, there is a study app where all the students they study for different courses, maybe JEE. There are so many groups. If you search CA Foundation there, so you get so many groups, and without, there are some private groups also where you need to enter the code to enter. So you don't students might not know the code, so don't join that groups. Join the groups where anyone can join, anyone can on the timer. So there you actually go there, join the group on the timer, and sit. When you take breaks, you stop that, you pause it, and then when you again study, वो ऑन कर सकते हैं. एंड होल डे मैंने ऐसे ही करके वो लास्ट 3 months में आई यूज्ड टू रिकॉर्ड कि पता चलता था कि मैंने कितने आवर्स एक्चुअली पढ़ाई की है. एंड effective studying effectively is important, not the hours you have studied. 9-10 hours भी पढ़ के कुछ भी दिमाग में नहीं गया तो क्या फायदा है ना. तो 8 hours I studied, and 12 hours in CA Foundation is not at all recommended. 8 hours maximum is good. Maybe you can increase the time in CA finals. So 8 hours is a maximum limit, and I couldn't beat myself for that 8 hours till now, because वो अभी तक जल्दी नहीं हुई है एग्जाम को प्रिपेयर करने की. तो जब वो सिचुएशन में आऊंगी तो मे बी आई डू मोर देन 8 hours. So that was my record till now, and yeah, that app helps a lot. So first ABC analysis, then joining in the app and studying, and consistently just studying for 9 to 8 hours one day and resting for 5 days and again doing it is not at all consistent work. Study for 5 hours or 3 hours or whatever time you fix in your brain, and do it consistently every day, and practice makes a man perfect. And that one quote, it is not important, Bruce Lee had told it, you should master one kick 1,000 times instead of just having different techniques of kicking 100 times. So that is not important. Master one thing that you're good at, that you can do for a lot of times, so that you become perfect in something. So consistency is then important, and hard work. Without hard work, CA is nowhere. People say CA कर रही हो, मैंने सुना है बहुत tough है. So this people's word don't listen. They will tell because what they have heard they will tell. But what we know, because we are in that profession, in that career, that course, we should know it is possible, because there are so many CAs there out there in MNCs working. And my sister, she works in EY, and my Mossy, she works in Deloitte. So they work under CAs there, and so many. And I think they have actually cleared. And CAs not that tough how people say. India has very less CAs, but now one change coming in India, government wants more chartered accountants right now, and because of that, it told ICI that we want more chartered accountants, or else we'll make a shift and make a substitute for it. So now, because of that, ICI has to make its papers little easy, so that they can produce more chartered accountants right now, because they want it, or else government they will make a change. So it is a very good and amazing news for every CA student right now to get up and to just go and attempt, because they will clear you if you have done what is needed, at least what is needed for you to clear. And if you are eligible, or you are a aspiring student who wants to do, he or she will definitely clear the exam. So that is few tips. And one more, in the CA inter, I got to know about little more tips to focus on studies, how to focus, how to sit for long hours. It's not important that you just sit and you're just sitting for the whole 2 hours. You should get up in between. You should take breaks, 10 minutes breaks or a 10 15 minutes nap for your brain to regenerate, because brains here, the main work is your brain, who is going to support you in the exam. And studying at night, people, there are a lot of people who are night owls. They study at night because there is no one to disturb them. कोई disturb नहीं करेगा, आराम से बैठ के शांति में पढ़ेंगे. But there is a drawback too. Everything is a drawback, and that is main drawback, because night we study and day we are not able to study that much. And whatever we study at night, we are taking with us in sleep. वो भी चला जाएगा, अच्छे से याद नहीं रहेगा वो सब कुछ. तो mom had told me कि I was also a night owl. मुझे भी night studying बहुत पसंद थी, but I had to leave that habit because in the exam there I have heard so many cases, so many stories that रात में पढ़ते थे और एग्जाम के एक दिन रात तक भी वो लोग पढ़ रहे थे और एग्जाम में जाके ब्लैंक आउट हो गए. तो I didn't want to be in that situation. I learned from their experiences and I stopped studying at night for those 2 to 3 months. And every morning, 5 o'clock, I used to get up. If, I didn't used to get, I sometimes used to turn off the alarm, and many times I used to do that. So alarm मैं ना sequence से लगा दी थी. 5 o'clock, then 5:30, then 6 o'clock. 3 to 4 alarms. कि एक ऑफ किया तो दूसरा बाद में बजेगा. But at least at the last alarm ring, I will get up and study. So वो कर सकते हैं सब लोग. और next thing is priming exercise that I got to know right now. In CA Foundation मैंने नहीं किया वो, but it is very helpful to set your mind at the right focus of studying or focus of doing any activity. And ज़्यादा concentrations and focus तभी होगा when you're at your high energy level, when your mind is completely motivated and boosted. सब कुछ जल्दी जाएगा दिमाग में. तो मैं CA Foundation में मेरा तो already I used to study at a high energy level, but CA Inter में आके मुझे लगा कि उतने अच्छे से जो भी मैं पढ़ रही हूँ, and I'm not getting so much interest to study because there are so many new subjects. तो ऐसा क्यों है? तो मैंने YouTube में check किया and they were like, and I joined the Superhuman Challenge of Swastik Nandakumar. If you know him, he's a very good person, a motivational speaker, and even a life expert, a life coach to be precise, a life coach for every thousands of people. So I got a message on Instagram while scrolling reels, not reels, actually while scrolling Instagram, it came, Superhuman Challenge coming up, Swastik and Kumar 3-day Superhuman Challenge, about being about getting your energy to the next level, about being an energetic person. How is it possible? Because here I needed that to boost my energy to the next level for CA Inter. So I joined that workshop and it was, believe me, it was life changing. 3 days, he teaches about so many good insights about life, about how you can deal with any situation, how mind responds to few situations, how you can do it. And then I could relate कि मैंने वही CA Foundation में भी किया था. Even after my accounts paper went bad, I calmed myself and deal with the situation. So that is what we need to do. At hard situations, we need to be calm, and so that brain can think. And when brain can think, it gives us right solutions. And all the solutions are with us. We don't need to search anywhere for any solutions. All within us. So 3 days, there were a lot of insights, and he told about this priming exercise. So from there, I got to know about it, and we used to do it. So every morning till now, I do this exercise. And today, because of this 11 o'clock, I had to join, so I couldn't do it. After that, before I start studying, I do this exercise anytime when I start, and then I sit to study. So that 1 hour continuous I study, and then few half an hour maybe or 20 minutes I take break. And maybe anything students they can do, maybe they can sleep or they can dance, sing, whatever they like, except using phone or laptop, because that drains our energy. Using phone, and that is of no use. That is not even a break. We need a break to refresh our mind, not what we want to do. Actually, we should do what we like, and we should start doing what is actually needed. So I dance or I do anything except watching phone. So, and then I get back and try to do 5 hours at least a day, 4 to 5 hours. That is what I'm doing right now. And few days go, few days, 2 to 3 days. If my sister comes, I'm not able to study. So that happens with everyone. And then that consistency goes. And you're doing studying for 5 hours. and you're studying for a long time, and then anything breaks that schedule, that is you shouldn't let that happen. Even if marriages come up, don't go. Our teacher used to say us, people are getting married, they will get married even if you don't go. You're going and celebrating. Even if you go and don't go, they are going to get married. So better to focus on what you should do. You should sit at home and study. Later on, after exams, you can go anywhere. No one is going to stop you. Go to marriages, go there. Parents also will not stop you. So after exams, after results, you can do anything. But your results should be in favor of you. If it is not, then it is just time waste, right? But still, there is a learning from every thing we face in life. We can learn a lot of things and see good in everything. But yeah, and what else can I tell? So first was his ABC analysis, consistency, priming exercise, and yeah, the superhuman challenge, Swastika Kumar. It's again coming up, so anyone can search about that. They can be a part of it. And even Ankit Neerav's manifestation, scientific manifestation. I joined that. I didn't join the workshop because I didn't feel the need to. So I just joined one workshop, one video live session, and he 2 to 3 times I did the same to understand more about how science works, how this manifestation works. And I was very shocked to know because things happen the way we see it. He told a lot in detail, in depth, he drived us into, and he told how manifestation actually works. We can manifest anything because we are the universe. We believe that we are in the universe, but it is not true. We are the universe. And he told that line, Aham Brahmasmi, that is, we are the universe. Because there is scientific reason behind that. That is, universe has carbon dioxide. The most important element of universe is hydrogen, and that we don't have. Okay, except that there is second most important element is carbon dioxide, and that we all have, and oxygen. These are two most important elements of the universe, and we have it. And there are so many other scientific reasons to prove we are the universe, and what we believe will happen. Like example, if you want to drink water, if you have the desire to drink water, we automatically pick up the glass and drink it. Our hands help us. No, we support ourselves. So when we believe something will happen, something we want something in life, and we want this for sure.
Yeah.
That is our deep desire, and that will happen because you yourself will help you. You help yourself to make that happen when you completely believe you want it. So that is manifesting things. When you fix a aim, and he has so many paid courses, and he had shared so many screenshots of WhatsApp people saying, "I manifested 10,000 rupees and I got it in 10 days. I manifested that I want to earn this much in 1 month, and I really got it." And Ankit Neerav, he had manifested after so many failures. He had manifested, he had seen, he had got to know about, he had done researches about manifestation and had become, he's also a life coach. So he manifested some amount for his business, maybe 3 crores. I don't remember the exact amount. And before that date, he had manifested in 3 years, I'm going to earn so much. Before that time, he had earned double of it. Because that is, we are completely dedicating ourselves to it, and you will get to see more results than what you manifested. So that was something that that was a eye opener, and that was a bulb on moment where you get to know, oh, this also exists, this also happens. So when you say I am the power, he told this, so I tell this sometimes, I am the power. You actually feel that power, and you feel whatever you want, you will get. It will come true because you really want it, and you will help yourself. No one will help you, and that ways will get created. That ways, that doors will get opened. People, you will get that people who help you to achieve that goal. You'll get so many sources, and the CA Foundation journey also was like that. I got so many people who helped me to clear. One, Ananya, she was my best friend. If she wouldn't motivate me at the last moment, if she wouldn't be in that journey, if she wouldn't recommend that app to me, maybe I wouldn't have done 8 hours. Maybe I wouldn't have competed with other people on that app to study so much. So, and my parents, big support for me. My friends who, cleared my doubts. So there are all the ways open when you want something. All that resources that come on their own when you decide yourself, when you decide to do something on yourself, right? By yourself. So yeah, so this is scientific manifestation, and I tried it. And one more, 2 examples he showed in that workshop. One was when you pour a little water somewhere on the ground or somewhere, and he he completely thought that that water is going to change its shape. He completely focused on that water and thought it is going to change its shape. If it is, yeah, I'm sorry. I remembered it more clearly right now. That was two shapes. One
Uh-huh.
was heart and one was something else. So it was like, if the answer is yes, please just turn this shape to this. Okay, there was something about it. So completely focusing on that, and the shape really changed. The shape changed because it
Really?
is you're manifesting it. You're thinking that it is going, because you know you have so much power to do it. But we human beings, we don't believe it. I didn't try after that. I just saw and I was very shocked. I hope I should have tried and told about the experience too. But I don't think that
Mm-hmm.
actually happens. That can actually happen with us because we don't believe that we are so powerful. We believe we are in the universe and we are, life comes, life goes, and this is destiny. What happens is destiny. No, you create your own destiny. You're the owner of your own destiny. And the people who have succeeded there have failed. There are none, or maybe they are very least, who have been so successful without failing. So failure is a learning. They learn from it and they take a challenge that I have to, get there. I have to be there. And when you have big dreams, that's very great. Having big dreams, dream full, dream big. And so he's a very good inspiration for me, Ankit Neerav and Swastik Nand Kumar. And yeah, I believe there are so many challenges in life. Life gives a lot of troubles to you, challenges to you, for you to be strong, to make you strong. There is no
Yeah.
other reason behind challenges coming up. So yeah, learn from them and be the best. Be the best for yourself. And one more thing that I used to be before, and I have changed a lot. Before, as I was not exposed to anything, I was not exposed to these challenges and many other life challenges. I used to be a people pleaser. I mean, friends. We are friends. So she's not happy. So make her happy. No, that mindset has changed. Don't be a people pleaser. Be yourself. You're happy. That's enough.
Mm-hmm.
That people be happy or not, and people will be happy with you. Maybe they were not actually
Yeah.
happy, or from inside that you shouldn't bother. Just bother about your life, because your life only you can change. No one will help you to change. And even teachers, they will not write your exam. They can only guide you till the sea.
Mm-hmm.
The sea,
Absolutely.
you only have to cross that. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I guess that is it. And to summarize it in short, just do your best. Every aspirant going there, seeing so many hurdles and seeing how to move, how to study, how to actually get ways of studying easily. There is no easy study in CA. You cannot clear it only by smart work. You need to face challenges. You need to put in your effort that you are satisfied. And in the CA foundation, I didn't do my 100%. That I can tell, because I didn't do my 100%, only maybe 50%, 70%. So dad asked me one question when we were, going to my college. So it's like, did you do your 100%? Then I told no, I've not done my 100%. I've not even touched 100%, nearing to 100%, maybe 50 to 70. He was like, if you would have done your 100%, you would have got more marks. And I told, yeah, I would have got, but at least I cleared with that some efforts, with that at least satisfying efforts that I have done. So yeah, at least satisfy yourself. You don't need to satisfy anyone around you, because no one is going to help, no one is going to do anything. In your success, people will take credit. In your failure, no one will take credit. Only you have to take your credit. And in failure, believe me, no one comes except parents. Any best friend of yours, they will not be there at your bad times. Only parents will support you, and at your good times, you will see so many people coming in. They will enjoy for their happiness, but mainly is you getting, to the next level and getting your dreams achieved early. So this manifestation workshop is also very effective. Even though I've not attended it, 3 days or 4 days it is, but in that one video, I got to know that he will be
Mm-hmm.
giving so many insights, because I had to study for these exams and I could not waste more days in that. Already 3 to 4 days I had wasted in Superhuman Challenge, and even after that, I got a different feel. There is a complete shift in a person where they want to boost their energy. I'll tell you how.
Mm-hmm.
Like when our energy level goes down, you're not so motivated. Why at that moment creating a certainty of things. Certainty means we are not sure whether this will happen. Okay, we are going to clear or
Mm-hmm.
not. But creating a certainty that I will clear, and sure we will clear. And in CA Foundation, there was one mindset of mine that was I thought that in future I'm pakka going to clear the CA and I am going to be the CA. And now I'm just facing the journey. I'm just facing those challenges, but I am going to do it. I'd already imagined myself to be a chartered accountant in future, and I thought I'm just going through those stages of those three levels: CA,
Yeah.
foundation, inter, and finance. So thinking that, and even Ananya got inspired by listening that, oh, we when we imagine we are already that and we are just going through these because we are
Mm-hmm.
going to reach that, and that becomes easy for us. And now I could relate when Swastik Nankumar said the same, and I thought, oh, I used to think the same thing. He told you should create a certainty in yourself that is going to happen. Good things are going to happen. You should just believe and go on with it. Stick to it. So,
Yeah.
and whenever the energy goes down, telling let's go, I can do it, that changes a lot. That doesn't change your thoughts, even if you're scared. That will not change the thoughts, but that will only make a shift in yourself. That is, you feel good. You feel like, okay, that's a certainty. You can do it. So when you say it in front of mirror, yes, I will do it. I'm going to clear for sure. Tell this. It feels like it's 100% we are going to do it. We just need to put in some efforts. That's it. So I do that, and yeah, that's it. I guess if I have left some things to share, I'm not remembering it right now. Whatever I had to tell, and before this show, I was actually so excited to be a part of your show because I saw the Rad show and there people sharing the experiences,
Mm.
and I was like, wow, they are doing
Yeah.
a very great job, and people they're getting such a amazing time talking and sharing experiences with a huge crowd there. So amazing, loved it, and very happy to be a part of your show. And I'm so sorry about one thing that you can cut after this. That is, I didn't speak in Hindi because I'm very comfortable in English. And even though I try to speak in Hindi, that didn't happen that much. And I was breaking and the conversation was going somewhere. So I'm very good at Hindi, but now I'm adjusted to speaking in English with everyone. So it's a habit. So
Yeah.
I hope that
It's
wouldn't be
okay.
a issue.
That's absolutely fine. So
Yeah. Okay.
I must say Sadaf that जो भी insights आपने share किया, I mean they are truly incredible.
Thank you
Right.
so much,
It
sir.
is. I'm
Hmm.
very positive about this. That it is going to be
Hmm.
very extremely helpful for a lot of people out
Yeah.
there जो
Hmm.
कोशिश कर रहे हैं कुछ
Hmm.
भी aspire कर रहे हैं, not just CA for that matter,
Hmm.
any
Yep.
competitive exam
Yeah, sir.
if they are aspiring for it. So there are a lot of tips and tricks and traits of sitting and actually reading and doing your studies. You have said quite some great examples you have provided. So
Thank you so
I'm
much,
very
sir. And
positive
I
about
love
that.
it.
It's going to be
Hmm.
incredibly helpful.
Hmm.
Definitely. Yeah, I
Thank you so
truly
much, sir. And actually, I am
believe
honored
that.
to be a part of your show. Yeah.
राइट सो दोस्तों आज का एपिसोड यहीं हम लोग समाप्त कर रहे हैं। थोड़ा सा समय का भी हमारे पास में अभाव जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं हमें यूजुअली रहता है। बट दोस्तों आज हमने सदफ के साथ में जाना सीए फाउंडेशन का उनका जर्नी, उसके बारे में इतनी अमेजिंग इंसाइट्स एंड बहुत सारे हेल्पफुल टिप्स जो उन्होंने हमारे साथ में आज शेयर किए। हम सबको उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस से आज बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है एंड स्पेशली जो लोग भी कोई भी कंपेटिटिव एग्जाम या स्पेसिफिकली सीए फील्ड में अगर अपना करियर शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, उसकी वो सोच रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए आई कैन अश्योर यू दैट दिस एपिसोड कैन टर्न आउट टू बी अ गोल्ड माइन बिकॉज सदफ ने इसमें बहुत सारे टिप्स और उनका डेडिकेशन जो है वो किस तरह से उन्होंने खुद को सेल्फ मोटिवेट किया, उनके आसपास के लोगों ने एनवायरनमेंट ने उनको मोटिवेट किया, उसके बारे में भी उन्होंने बहुत डिटेल में इसमें शेयर किया है। एंड विद दैट सदफ वी वांट टू थैंक यू so much for taking out the time and sharing your entire CA Foundation journey with us and आपके advice and encouragement को सबको I'm 100% sure it's gonna help them a lot and इसी के साथ हम लोग भी at the Rat Show हम आपके जितने भी future upcoming endeavors हैं उनके लिए we want to wish you best of luck and इसी के साथ दोस्तों अगर आपको ये एपिसोड हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो nonetheless like share and subscribe to the channel and definitely share this video with anyone that you think that is going to help them out, right? और इसी के साथ में until next time I just want to say like always that stay tuned, stay inspired
Yeah.
with the Rat Show.